You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we couldn't talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your. Don't blame your shit on me. You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make. You took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know we couldn't talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't change my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your. Don't blame your shit on me.